portable air conditioner. Brand is Yunyun. I'm cleaning up, or I'm cleaning my portable air condition. After 3 years, finally I able to clean the filter, get rid of dust, and that's the brand of my portable air condition. It's a brand Yunyun, and that's the specs. And it has 2 filter. So as you can see, guys, it's been clean. I need to vacuum it again. And then there's another filter here. It's literally clean. And right now I'm vacuuming the inside parts of it just to get all the dust so that it will blow really good and air for tonight in our bedroom, and it will give us a good cold temperature inside our room. I purchased this 3 years ago in Ace Hardware in Cebu City. So this is it. It is really a quality portable air conditioner. Thank you for watching, and that's what I'm using for a handable vacuum, small vacuum cleaner.